Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now guys, I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I recall when I used to do very random Q&As back in 2020. Around that time, I used to just go on the internet and get random questions and come here and answer them for you guys, and I haven't done that in a very long time. Many of my Q&A videos have just been me asking you guys, ask me a question, and most times those questions are very serious. Most times they're just damn too serious, and I wanted to do something chill, something fun, you know, for a change, for a little bit. All right, now in this video I'm going to be answering some very random questions that I got on the internet for your listening and viewing pleasure. Okay, now if this is something that you think you're going to enjoy, then please keep on watching. Okay, number one, have you ever met someone famous? I have met a lot of famous people, okay? Thing is that if you ask them, they may not remember. But I've met a lot of famous people. I have met Jim Ike when I was much younger. The whole story behind that, you know, a whole funny story. We were with my mom. I was with my mom, my brother, and one of my cousins. And when we saw him entering, we're going into a hotel, right? And when we saw him, you know, how am I laughing? Because every time I hear about this story, I still laugh. So we saw him from afar entering the hotel, and then we were as kids, oh my God, that's Jim Ike, you know. And Momsi was like, feel like one serious mother. She just walked up to him like this. Mom, if you're watching this video, sure you remember. She was like, hello, Jim. My name is Mrs. Ochubana, and these are my children. Yes, I don't forget this. I don't know what year this was. This was probably 2007, 2006. I was a teenager. No, I wasn't a kid. I was a teenager, you know, and I recall vividly this experience until today. It's something that when we talk about it, we still laugh over it because it was so funny. But he was so nice and sweet, you know. He shook all of us, and you know, we just said hi to him and all of that. But yeah, I've met Jim Ike. Who else? I've met a couple of famous people. My dad used to be very close to people in the movie industry at some point in his career. So I've met Shegun Arinze. He used to be very close to my dad. He used to come to our house then when we were very little in Lagos. I've met let me see, who else? There are many guys, but yeah, my dad used to be very close to some movie stars back in the day. And of course, in the line of my current career right now, I still meet a couple of people who are famous. At the Glamour Girls premiere the other day, I met some famous people as well, one-on-one. I spoke to Lynx one-on-one, and a couple of other people as well that I met. So yeah, I guess I'm still going to meet more as time goes on. Okay, number two, would you like to be famous? What do you guys think? Even though some of you think I'm famous, but in my head I'm just like, nobody know me. Oh, I'm still Alma Ngu next door. Okay, nobody know me. But yeah, I think I would like to be famous, but I feel like I want to be famous in phases. Okay, I want it to be a natural progression into being famous or into being popular or whatever. I don't want to wake up tomorrow morning and I'm just like this popular person from nowhere and I'm not properly prepared for it. Do you get my point? Which is the reason why Big Brother, I didn't want to do it anymore, because I'm just like, I don't want to go into a house as a nobody in quotes and come out as this celebrity and I cannot get used to it immediately. Do you get my point? I would love to be more famous than I am right now. Eventually, but for the right reasons, please. I don't want to become famous because they say I did something. No, please, thank you. If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? There's no one thing I can say, because I mean, in our lives individually, everybody has things that they wish they could change. Everybody has decisions that they have made in the past that they wish they could do differently, you know, or maybe certain things happened in your country or in your environment that you want to change. You hope you could turn back the hands of time and change it. So I can't really think of anything right now that I can say personally, oh, this thing happened and if I could, I would change it. But I believe that there are many things. If you could live anywhere, where would that be? This question again. This question will always trigger japa plans or relocation plans or stuff like that, and you guys know that that's not where I'm at right now. But if I could live anywhere, okay, it would be the United States. If it's not Nigeria, it would be the United States. Have you ever been in the snow? Yes, I have been in the snow. Oh my God. Hello. Yes, I have been in the snow. That was way back in 1997, 1998, my last time in the United States. That was the last time I saw snow. I was about 8 years old. That was the last time. My more recent travels, I've always gone in the summer, like the UK, I've always gone in the summer or in spring, so I didn't really see snow, you know, when I went to the UK twice. And of course, we all know that Dubai, it doesn't snow in Dubai. I just went to Dubai this year, it doesn't snow in Dubai. But yeah, the last time I know I saw snow was way back when I was 8 years old, all right? Who would be your ideal partner? I already have my ideal partner, guys. I'm tired of coming here and telling you people all about my ideal partner because I already have it, okay? I already have everything I want, okay, in an ideal partner, in the person of my husband. All right, okay. Do you still have your childhood teddy bear? No. Looking back now, guys, see, I was a tomboy. If you've been watching me for the longest time, you know this already. I was a tomboy, so I never really got attached to toys like that. You know, Barbie dolls, teddy bears, it wasn't really my thing. But I do recall that there was a particular teddy bear that we had when we were small. When I was like 2-3 years old, my brother was like a baby then. It was a big blue teddy bear my dad bought, and that's the only teddy bear I recall now that we had as tiny kids. And no, I don't still, we don't have it anymore. I mean, come on, that was like that was 30 something years ago, so nah, definitely not. How many pairs of shoes do you have? Guys, I'm giving out things, so okay, you guys saw in my last vlogs I've been decluttering, okay, even though I did not declutter shoes, but I've given out shoes in the past. I don't want to go into my office now and go and start counting my shoes, but at the top of my head I would say maybe I don't know, 30 something, could be more, 30 something at the top of my head, at the top of my head, 30 something. And out of those 30 something, I think I roughly wear about 10, 12, okay, but it is what it is. Yes, around that number. Favorite holiday: beach, mountain, or city? To be honest, I can't even answer this question properly because I haven't really experienced a proper beach holiday in my life. I mean, every time I've gone on holiday, it has to be like going to a city, you know, I mean, London city, Dubai city. So I haven't really been to like an island, you know, go on like a proper beach resort holiday. So I can't compare and say beach, mountain. Me, I'm not going to climb any mountain, no. Me like this, I'm sorry. I can't go on mountain holiday, dear. I'm not that adventurous. But between beach and city, I have a very, very strong feeling that I would prefer a beach holiday. That way, it's not a shopping holiday. You don't really have to spend that much money. All you have to spend money on is your resort and your food and your good, and maybe your flights. That's it. But yeah, deep down, I feel like I'll prefer a beach holiday to a city holiday. Do you like TV talent shows? Yes, guys, I am obsessed with TV talent shows. I watch The Voice Nigeria every time it's showing. And obviously, Big Brother you might not see Big Brother as a talent show, but reality shows in general. I love reality shows in general. Oh, and that brings me to the next question. What is your opinion on reality TV shows? They are great as far as they are not so toxic. I feel like with Big Brother, for instance, especially Big Brother Nigeria, it has become very toxic, okay? And this relates mostly to the fans of various housemates. I feel like the fans have made the show become very, very toxic. But aside that, I love reality TV shows. I watch them a lot. I watch, you know, TV game shows, reality shows. Like, I love watching stuff like that on a very, very normal day. Do you like scary movies? If you know me, you know that horror is my #1 genre when it comes to movies. I would pick a horror movie over any other kind of movie, okay? Any day, anytime. And this obsession began from when I was younger. I love horror movies so much, and yeah, I should watch one tonight, most likely. Have you ever fired a real gun? No, and I want to. Yes, I want to. I feel like, yes, Jessie, look at me. I want to. If you guys see how Jessie's looking at, Jessie's like, You want to fire a real gun? Yes, it's something that is on my bucket list. Obviously not at somebody, maybe in like a shooting range or something, and that would be like when I travel, maybe. Thank you for clarifying this, man. But yeah, I want to shoot a real gun. I want to see what is that thrill about. You know, I want to feel that thrill. I want that dish to just, you know, push my shoulders back like this. Maybe when I eventually go to the US, I would go to a shooting range and practice, because I really want to feel what it's like to shoot a gun. Let me know in the comments if you've shot a gun before. Let me know in the comment section. The last film you watched. The last film I watched, not series, right? The last film I watched will be End of the Road, Queen Latifah, Ludacris. It's a new movie showing on Netflix. I watched that a couple of days ago and it was good. I liked it. Do you like roller coasters? No. No, 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 no. I do not like roller coasters. I mean, the thrill when you watch others on it is fun to watch, but when you are on it, come on, pirate ship I went to go and do the other day with my girls at Magic Land, I was screaming like a mad person. Like I was going to die the next minute. That's how I know that roller coasters are not for me, okay? So no, I do not like roller coasters. It's just damn too scary. Have you ever cried at a film? Yes, guys, I'm a crybaby. In case you don't know, I cry for things like movies, okay? Yes, I have cried at a movie. One movie that it doesn't matter how many years down the line I watch it over and over again, I will always cry, is Titanic. That movie always gets me, even in my older by age now. I still cry for that movie. The perfect job or the perfect relationship? The perfect job or the perfect relationship? That's a very tough one. Well, I feel like the perfect job would be my choice. Why? Because there is no relationship that is perfect. You see what I did there? I just use your heads now. The perfect job, because there is no perfect relationship anywhere. Quote me anywhere. There's no perfect relationship, but you can have a perfect job, okay? So maybe I would tilt a lot more towards that. Have you ever cheated on an exam? What do you think, Jesse?
You have. Someone that can copy.
What?
Copy.
Are you guys hearing Jesse? He said that I look like somebody that can copy in an exam. Okay, I won't come out here and say, oh my God, I have never cheated. I think I did once or twice, okay? I mean, come on, growing up, you know you would always stretch your neck. You always giraffe. We all did it. Don't come and lie here. All of us did it. So I beg. I've cheated before. Come and beat me. I'm in my house. Do you believe in karma? Yes, I believe in karma. I believe in karma. I believe that you do something today, you think that you got away with it, and tomorrow it will come and bite you in the bum bum. That's what I believe. Yes, I believe in karma, that's for sure. Do you believe in love at first sight? No, I don't. I believe in lust at first sight. I believe that you can see someone and lust after them, but you can't tell me that you see somebody now, you fall in love. Mba. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Have you done any cosmetic surgery? No. No. It's all natural. Okay, from top to bottom. I have never done any cosmetic surgery, and to be honest, I don't think I will ever do cosmetic surgery, guys, because I'm just scared that I will not come out alive. That's it. I'm just scared. I can't risk my life like that. That's it. I love my life too much. You get, like, I love my life too much to risk my life because of how I want my body to look. Exactly. Like my husband is saying that people that have flat stomach, some men will still cheat on them and move to somebody who has a big belly and big bum and big everything. Like, do you get my point? So, you know, I feel like if you want to do it, please, by all means, if that's what makes you happy, do that. But for me, I don't see the need. For me, I can't be bothered with cosmetic surgery. I will never do it. I will just never do it. Anything that, you see, anything that's small diet, not even big diet though, anything that small diet and exercise cannot fix, Alma is not interested. That's just it. So please leave me with my body like this, dear. Okay? Leave me like this with it. I cannot risk my life like that, please. I can't. Do you wear makeup every day? No, I don't wear makeup every day. I only wear makeup when I want to film a video or when I'm going out somewhere that I need to wear makeup for. Do you get? No, I don't wear makeup every day. How often do you cut your nails? I don't cut my nails, I bite my nails. Yes, you know me, you know this. I don't cut them, I bite them. What profession do you hate the most? That's a very tough one. I can't say I hate any profession, but if you live in Abuja, you see VIO, a vehicle inspection something. those people, even if that's the last job in this world, I'd rather remain jobless. I'd rather remain jobless than have people hate me because of the job I do. So yeah, I don't funk with VIO at all. I can't stand those people. I know that they're doing their jobs sharp, but if that was the only job in this Nigeria that I had to do, I'll be jobless. Thank you very much. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this very random Q&A video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this video if you found it very interesting. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah, mwah. Bye.